Okay, let's suppose you are doing a movie and you need to generate touch tones. Yeah, those touch tone sounds you have for old style telephones. So go ahead and open up Audacity, and let's say we're going to do, yeah, that we go to generate, go to touch tones, you just an empty platform, nothing has to be in it, and go to this, and let's go ahead and put a number we know, 8675309. Okay. And you can tell it how many seconds you want it to be. So you can say, I want the whole thing to be 7 seconds long. And you're going to choose different variables. So if you have something that needs to fit a particular format, like as if you're doing a movie or something of that nature, but we're just going to do this one. And we're going to go ahead and keep it nice and quiet and hit generate. And here is Jenny. And that's all you need to do it. Now, you can also do fun stuff. I don't know if anybody remembers this one, but used to be you could get touch tone recordings to make music. So here's a song we all know. Mary Had a Little Lamb. Well, thanks for watching. Bye.